Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to draw the sectional elevation view of front view elevation view of ground story single room house by using AutoCAD software. So initially I will show you that respected simple 2D floor plan for that respected single room so that you can easily understand the concept for this respected tutorial. So go to your AutoCAD software. So it will be consisting of your simple single room here like this, which is having 17 feet 6 inches in lengthwise direction, and width direction will be consisting of 16 feet 6 inches. So this is the slab section, and this is the window section, and this is the door section for this respected house. So for this respected floor plan, we need to draw the front elevation section by using AutoCAD 2D software. So for that, basically we need to apply the wall section, we need to apply the parapet wall section, we need to apply the basement section, we need to apply the slab section, we need to apply the doors, windows, as well as your staircases. Okay, so for that, initially we need to draw the lines. L enter, we need to prolong this respected line to certain distance like this. Let us consider. So again we have to prolong the lines which is related to the external wall section. So here I am considering. Again in the same process you can prolong the lines for the external line section as well as your respective slab section on the right hand side. So after that we have to prolong the window section as well as door section. So now we can see all the lines are prolonged here like this for this respected vertical section. Initially we need to draw some reference line starting point of your respected house. Let us consider here. So initially we need to trim the excess of the portion on the right hand side section, left hand side section, and at the bottom section. Now we have to really delete all this respected section at the base for the vertical lines purpose. Just I am deleting this respected lines here like this. So after that, click on delete option. Now we can see all the vertical lines are prolonged here like this. So initially we need to draw the basement section. So basically we will consider the basement section of 2 feet. So for that, click on offset command. Let us take it as 2 feet 0 inches. Let us take offset like this. So after that we have to trim the excess of the lines in the basement section. TR double enter. So trim this respected line. So now we need to draw the slab section initially. So for that, just I am applying the offset. Let us take the slab to slab distance will be consisting of 10 feet 0 inches. Here I am considering. So select this respected point, click on this respected point. Now we can see the slab section is applied here. So after that we have to trim all the lines on the top of this respected section. So again we have to trim the left hand side section, right hand side section like this. Now we have to apply the slab which is consisting of approximately of 5 inches. Click on offset command, 5 inches. Let us consider the offset like this. Now we have to draw the line, L enter here, connect this respected left hand side portion. Again we will connect this respected lines on the right hand side portion. Now we can see the slab is drawn here like this. Now we have to draw the parapet wall. So basically parapet wall we will consider it as 3 feet. So for that, click on offset command, 3 feet 0 inches, enter command. Select this respected line like this. Again we have to extend this respected line on the left hand side section again to the right hand side section like this. Now we have to draw the door sections as well as your window section. Okay, so this is one of the important section. So basically before applying the window we need to apply the sill height. So we will consider the sill height which is consisting of 3 feet 0 inches. So for that we have to apply the offset which is related to the 3 feet 0 inches like this. Now we have to trim all the lines on the left hand side section here like this. Again we will trim the line on the right hand side section here like this. Okay, so in the same process we will trim these lines on the front facing. Now we have to draw the door section here and window section here. So for that, initially we need to go to the blocks which is comes under your respected door section. So let us consider the door elevation section like this. Click on this respected door elevation section. So these are the door elevation section which is related to your respected properties. So you can consider any one of the section under considerations of your respected floor plan. So if you need this respected door elevation block section, so you can text me some message to my mail so that I can send you the blocks for this respected door section. So here I am considering the door which is related to this property. Let us consider second one. So click on this, click on copy option. Again we have to go to the floor plan. So click on Control V option. Now we can see paste here. Okay, now we can see the door is drawn here like this. Now we can move this respected object, M enter, select this, click on enter option, select the base point here. Let us consider. Again we have to click on F8 option. Now we have to attach this respected point here like this. Now we can see the door is drawn here like this. So initially we need to delete the right hand side portion and left hand side portion here like this. Okay, so after that we have to draw the window section. So for that again we have to go to the window plan elevation section like this. So it will be consisting of your plenty of the windows which is related to the different components like this. So here as per your considerations you can select the window as per your respected section. So here I am considering this respected second window. Let us consider, click on copy option. Again we have to go to this respected property of simple floor plan, control V option, click on this respected point. Again we will select this respected window, right click on it, click on the property. So here you can change the scale. Let us consider the scale as per my assumption, just I am taking it as 12. Again this is also 12. Click on enter option. So click on Z enter option, A enter option. Now we can see the window is drawn here like this on the left hand corner. You can move this object, M enter, select this object, click on this respected point. Now we can move this respected object here like this. So further click on M enter, move command, select this object, click on enter option. So initially we need to select the corner point like this. Again we have to attach this respected corner point to this position like this. So again we have to remove the lines which is related to the vertical portions on the left hand side section and right hand side section like this. Now we can see this respected front elevation will be drawn for the front view section, drawn for the single room like this, which is consisting of the parapet with wall section, slab section, wall section, and this is basement section, this is window, and this is the door. Okay, now we have to draw the staircases. So for that we have to go to the blocks which is related to the staircases. So select the stairs here like this. So you can pick the any one of the stair as per your considerations. So let us consider it will be consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. like this. So here I am considering the second portion. Click on copy option. So go to your respected floor plan like this. So initially you can select the here and control V option. So you can select the base point like this. So it will draw your respected stairs like this. Select the stairs. You can change the scale as per my considerations and as per my assumption, just I am taking it as 0.04 x direction distance and 0.04 for the y direction distance. So it will draw your respective staircases like this. So initially we need to measure the distance in horizontal position from the starting point to, again we have to measure the distance from the ending point. So basically it is comes under the distance of 11 feet 7 inches. Initially we will apply the offset which is consisting of 11 feet 7 inches here like this. So select this point, again we have to draw here like this. Now we have to move this respective staircase for the building. So click on M enter option, select this object here, click on enter option, select the base point here like this. Now we can select the base point. I can attach this respective base point to the position like this. Now you can see the staircase in the front facing direction is drawn here like this. Initially you need to delete this vertical line. So now we have to apply the concrete section for the basement. So for that we have to click on hatch command, H enter option, select this respective property. So here we have to select the property which is related to the concrete member section. So here I am considering it as AR concrete section. Let us consider, and scale will be considered as per your assumption. Just I am considering it as some 20. Again you can change the scale property. Let us take this respected scale as 10. Let us consider, otherwise you can change it as 1. So now we can see the concrete properties applied here like this, which is consisting of sand and coarse aggregate, etc. You can change the scale as per your respected vision. So now we can see the 3 is applied, otherwise you can apply here as 2 property. Let us consider. So this is the process to draw the front facing elevation for the ground story building. So if you are interested, you can apply the hatching for the respected slab section also as per your sectional point of view. So let us take this respected property of solid color, and color is white. Let us apply this color here like this. So now you can see the hatching is applied for the slab section only here like this. So in the same process you can apply the front elevation section in the simple procedure like this for the respected G+1 building or G+2 building. So in my upcoming videos I will explain you how to draw the front elevation section for the G+1 building and G+2 building by using AutoCAD 2D software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.